back to the van. I'm back to trying to, clean ourselves up.
Hello. Putting the kettle on in a minute.
I might have to try and pump that rear tyre up a little bit at some point.
You should be on the bed.
Because it's looking okay, but there is a lot of weight in it. I can give it a go, see, but I don't know. Yeah, they're both about the same actually, to be fair. Might as well leave them. They're not down. Yes, so we're back.
I'm covered.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm mess. Oh, are we sitting here?
Left up to you,
Have a
can
cup
if you
of
want.
tea.
I've got to put the gas on anyway, which is just the gas is just here, so I can just get the hand in. Gas on. There we go.
Is that a dead bird?
No, or is it? No, I don't know what it is. It's like fluff of some sort. So I'm going to leave it here and get us that sorted. Oh, that was an effort. Done all the shoes. They come up quite well, to be fair. Look. Harvey's are under there because when I put the diesel heater on, I'm going to take the pipe off so it blows towards it. So that will dry them out. And then I've wiped all the floor, hoovered all the floor as well. So, but I couldn't film it because I was on my hands and knees on the floor because I can't bend, so I have to actually physically get on the floor. That's why everybody's in the front cablet.
Hi.
So I could crack on and get cleaned up, which is handy because if you are cleaning up, everyone can go in the cab out the way whilst you're cleaning. So, yeah. Whilst I'm here, tell you what, I'm going to put yous, or should I do it another? I'll do it tomorrow on the campsite because we've had some people wanting to see an update on the van, so I'll do it tomorrow when we're on the campsite. Oh, lovely weather now. Look at this. Look at the sky. It's sun's out. Yeah, I know, but Scotland for you. The weather changes so fast. It's lovely weather now. Lovely. Right, I'll catch you in a bit because I am now going to chill because I haven't chilled yet. Obviously, we'll come back, had a quick cup of tea. I've done all these shoes and that. So, we've got some new campers. Someone's just pulled up in the motorhome over there. We've got a nice little camper here. And there's a pigeon. Can you see the pigeon? You can see it right next to the van, like on the grass there.
Where?
No, down behind you. It's a pigeon.
I thought it were a duck.
What are you doing, Harvey?
Playing game.
What are you on? A puzzle game. And you're on what?
He's on Roblox.
Show us then. Can't see what you're doing. You're driving a car?
Yeah.
That's a race.
You're winning? Are you winning?
No, she's driving around.
I'm just driving around.
You what, Mum?
Is that a racing pigeon?
I don't know. Anyone tell us in the comments if you can see it?
We used to feed one like that in his old house.
Oh no, we used to come to us, didn't it?
Biscuits.
Yeah.
And it used
Right.
to chase the other ones off.
Love and leave yous for now. Yeah, go from there. Oh, tired now. But that's about a 3-mile round trip we worked it out to, I think, weren't it? We did. It don't sound like a lot, but when it's a boggy track like that, and then you get one child loses his foot because his shoe comes off and his foot goes in there, and then you got Tina basically nearly falling in face first. Tell you, that would have been a laugh. That I have to apologise. I didn't get it on camera neither because that would have been absolutely hilarious. But I was laughing that much. My ribs were actually hurting. I couldn't even think on picking the camera up. Even Andrew would batch for that, wouldn't you? How much was I laughing, lot?
Loads.
I couldn't even breathe. I just had the image in my head. Tina trying to save Harvey. They do, didn't they? Tina trying to save Harvey, but then she ends up face first in the mud. That's all I had in my head, and then it didn't help that she said, "Stop laughing because I need a wee, I'm going to pee." That made it 10 times worse.
Yeah, you would have been in stitches.
Yeah, I'm going to... Might open these curtains as well, actually, behind me. May as well for a bit. So, anyway, love you all for now. We'll catch you in a bit. Oh, have you used it?
Yeah. I'll get some more.
Oh, hello everyone, we're back. Look at this. Ooh. This is that table that I pulled out from the door. We got... Look at this. We're having a salad. Num num. Andrew's fussy. Harvey's not. He's just tried a bit of cucumber. He likes it. But Andrew, he won't touch anything that's healthy.
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Do it then.
Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah, num num. I can't wait to eat this. Using my camping plate. That me, it's my Auntie Sonia that got me that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna try using that. You can tell the plate of mine is smaller than these plates, so I'm having to make it pile up a bit.
Try a bit of this. It's only got tatey in it.
Yeah, it's potato.
Yeah.
It's actually potato mayonnaise with herbs on that, to be fair, so we should like that. Oh, potato salad. This is naughty. I can't wait. Get in!
Oh, it's healthy, isn't it?
Oh, getting there. We're just waiting for the eggs. It done yet?
No, not yet.
How about now? Done yet?
I've got to wait for the water to boil.
Using my big ridge monkey there. Look, can they see it? The deep pan ridge monkey.
Just wait for it to bubble.
It bubble. It done yet?
Oh, sit there.
How many eggs do you
Oh,
want?
sit there.
Just to do.
Do I have to?
We're having.
See it? Oh, what was that? Yeah, what's your elbow? It done yet?
No, not yet.
Wait, how long?
I've got to wait for the eggs. Someone's got to put a timer out. We haven't got Alexa with us.
No. They done yet?
And you sit
Wait.
there.
Oh, sit here.
I can't. I want to scrun it. It looks nice. Look.
Just taste that tatey salad bomb.
Why?
Because it seems a bit mushy to me.
Mushy? It's been in the fridge. Don't know what they're even looking at. Not fine.
Oh. Nearly fell out of the crack.
It done yet? I need to open a window. It's starting to steam, so I need to open this.
I tried to open that one early and I couldn't do it.
There's a button on the top you got to push. Andrew, no, hold it, because it's only a single window it can smash.
But can you open? Are you going to open it widely?
Only need enough just so steam goes out and don't come in the van. Right, catch you in a bit. It done yet? It done yet?
I'm just doing the eggs.
How's it coming? Is it hot?
Yeah, burnies.
Look at this.
Burnies.
I did say give it 5-10 minutes to cool down.
Tea might go warm.
No, you mean it might go cold?
Yeah.
Look at her, Nicky Pig. Look at her, one little tiny bit at a time. Look, 'cause it's hot. Ooh, nummy nummy num. Num num. Shall we give her a hand? Let's put you down somewhere. Like that. Move that. Move that. I don't know where I'm going to put yours. There. Oh. Now you can see us.
Oh, wait, no.
Hot. Hot. God, they're rock hard. There we go. Now that's some hard shell, that.
Oh, yeah,
There. Ding-a-dubs. Yes, I know, we should have put them in cold water before anybody says in the comments. You should have cooled them down first.
your ribs. Ow, cramp.
Best way, try and do it quickly.
I'll say no.
It's hot.
Right, stay on that chair.
Right, there's one.
Oh.
Put it on Harvey's after that's Harvey's there near the camera. Hot.
Come on, Deirdre. Oh,
Bernie's. Don't help when it comes out in little bits.
You two having fun there?
Hard. Oh, it's alright if it comes off in a big bit like that. Oh, it came off.
Put it on Harvey's.
That feet.
Right, you stay there.
Yeah.
I'll sit here.
Owie.
Bit of shell. Bit of shell. Bit of shell. Oh, another bit of shell. Lots of shells.
Lots of shells.
They're rock hard. What the hell? It's like the shell's magically got an iron shield around it or something.
I'm moving the camera around.
I know, I can't help that.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, hottie.
Smells like someone scuffed.
Oh, ow. My fingers. La 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 la. Hot. Hot.
Cold.
There's one.
Not on mine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you doing my one
Oh,
now,
bad
Johnny?
shells coming
Sit
everywhere.
on your chair.
Your dad's doing it.
I'm
Sit on your
trying.
chair.
It's hot.
Be alright if it come off in big bits.
Oh, well, just lost half of the pink and white bit come off then.
We did it. How's it go?
Nearly there. Well, we're one anyway.
Eat the crack one.
We've got the we've got a talking egg, look. Hello there.
That's Harvey's.
There you go, Harvey. Andrew, grab that for him, please, mate.
I'm gonna eat my chicken thing.
Just be careful with the bones.
I will.
Just making sure that other egg's rolling.
Put it on my plate for now.
Oh, right. Don't want to be seeing me bashing an egg and burning my fingers, do you? We'll catch you out later on. We'll give you one last glimpse. Like, nom. Right, it's that time. Still early, but I'm going to put a film and that on now. So I've got Harvey just chilling on mine and Tina's bed there. We've got Andrew chilling just here. Down there. Obviously, I'm just about to put a film on the tablet. We've got Tina here doing whatever she wants to do.
Hello.
So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. So I thought I may as well say good night to you now, and we'll see you in the morning. So don't forget, do all those good things for us. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment, give us a share, and give us a hype as well. Let's get up there. Let's get over the 1,000 mark, and we'll catch yous all in the morning. Thank you all so much for all your support and all the watches and everyone that's watching, whoever subscribed. We really appreciate it. Love you all. Take care. Good night. See you in the morning. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you all again very soon.